At Vancouver Career College, we're committed to providing a comprehensive education for the next generation of registered massage therapists. Our Abbotsford campus offers a dynamic program where students gain in-depth knowledge in musculoskeletal anatomy, physiology, and hands-on massage techniques, all while receiving valuable clinical experience. This May, we're excited to invite you to our RMT Open House on May 28, 2025, from 5 to 7 p.m. PST. Join us at the Abbotsford campus to tour our state-of-the-art clinic, meet our dedicated students and staff, and discover the supportive learning environment we offer. It's the perfect opportunity to learn more about the program, see firsthand where our students practice their skills, and experience the clinic environment for yourself. Whether you're considering joining our program or just curious about the field of massage therapy, we'd love to see you there. Don't miss out on this chance to explore our campus, connect with the team, and enjoy a free massage while you're at it.